Hi loved ones, I'm so excited that you're here with me today. Today we are making unicorn floats. They're gonna be so yummy, right Sir Ducky?
Quack, quack.
Yes.
Jane's the name, she really cares for you.
It's Jane's the name.
All right, first let's talk about our ingredients. What we're going to need is sugar, sprinkles of any kind that you would like, heavy whipping cream, vanilla, cream soda, kosher salt, and food coloring. You can choose any color you would like. Also, on top of that, you want to make sure you pick out the glass that you're going to use for your unicorn floats. And then we're also going to use oven mitts. I know, so weird to use oven mitts for unicorn floats. But you'll see later, don't worry. Make sure you have a bag of ice ready. I'm putting it in the sink so that it doesn't get all watery. First step we're going to do is put our dry ingredients into a sandwich bag. The sandwich bag is going to go inside of our ice, just for reference. So, open my sugar. And right here I have my ingredients measured out. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar.
I love sugar.
Measure, measure. 1. Measure, measure. 2. I'm so excited. And then we're going to go ahead and do our wet ingredients. First, we're going to do whipping cream. You're going to need 1 cup of whipping cream. Wow. I'm going to do this over the sink, just in case. I'm so excited. And next, a teaspoon of vanilla. Just a little drop. There we go. I love vanilla. And then you're going to go ahead and pick your color. I'm gonna do purple first. Just a few drops, depending on how dark you would like it to be. I have a spoon right here to mix, 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 mix. Hey, what's the color purple? A flower's purple. Oh, grapes are purple too. All right, there we go. Now we want to make sure we safely close up our bag. There we go. Now with our ice, there's one step that we want to do with our ice. We're going to take that kosher salt that we said we would need, and you're gonna need 1/4 cup of salt. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle it in there. Ooh. All right, now go ahead and take your salt and disperse it into your ice. This is so cool. Hey, I have a joke. Where do you learn to make ice cream? Sunday school! Sir Ducky, isn't that so funny?
Quack, quack.
Sunday school. All right, this is the important part, why we will need the oven mitts. So go ahead and close our ice gallon bag. Squeeze it down to get the air out. Ooh, there's some air. And with our oven mitts, we're going to put them on our hands so that we can hold this ice for 10 minutes. We have to shake, 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 shake that ice so we can make our unicorn floats. And I have a great idea. Let's go ahead and get a workout while we shake. Let's go. right, loved ones. Whew, that was a workout, but we have our ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Ooh, it's gonna be messy, but fun. I'm ripping the bag so it's easier to get this out. That's good. So I also have a little washcloth here, just so I can wipe off. So we just slowly scrape the ice cream. Ooh. It smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. So now that we did purple, we want to do our other colors the same way. And also one note, if you do have any dairy allergies, you can also use coconut cream instead of heavy whipping cream. And I'll also put that in the description. Wow! So once I get all my ice cream in my container, as you can see, it's still a little messy. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 more minutes so it hardens up. Wow! So go ahead and keep scraping and then go ahead and transfer it into the freezer and continue on with your other colors. See you soon! Loved ones, wow, that was so fun making our ice cream. Now I have it in the cup. Wow, look at all the different colors. That's so pretty, right, Sir Ducky?
Quack, quack.
Yes, now we get to put our sprinkles on our ice cream. Wow. This is so neat and fun. I can't wait to try my unicorn floats. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our cream soda and make our unicorn floats. Wow, that is so pretty and cool and yummy looking. You can use a spoon if you would like, or you can drink it. Wow, that is good. Loved ones, thank you so much for coming today and making unicorn floats. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.